Hello, I will show you how to FOIL, which is basically the expanding of two binomials that are being multiplied together. And basically, in order to do that, there is an abbreviation which is called FOIL, and I will explain what that means. So the F in FOIL means first. The O means outer. I will show you how to do this or apply this. I means or stands for inner, and L stands for last. Okay, so I have two examples actually written here. So we'll start with this one. Okay, so basically first, so you take your first term and you multiply them together. So 2x times 3x is going to be 6x squared. Okay, and then we have our outer. So like that, your two outer terms are multiplied now. And this is 2x times 1, which is 2x. Also, I just wanted to say, you have to be careful with whatever sign is between. So for example, if this was actually 3x minus 1, then this right here would actually be a negative 2. So be careful with the signs. Okay, and then we have inner, so this inner term times this inner term, so like that. And again, they're both positive numbers, so addition. 3 times 3x, so 9x. Okay, and then we have last, so you multiply your last term and your last term together. Just go like this. And so 3 times 1 is just 3. Basically, I guess the way you could think about it is you're going like this, and then you're going like this, and then you're going like this, and then you're going like this. So you're basically taking each term and multiplying it with like each of them. And then once you have this, you can actually collect all your like terms. So 6x squared is the only like term there, so 6x squared. 2x plus 9x, so 11x. And then 3 is the only like term, so 3. And then actually, you starting off with two binomials, you ended up with a trinomial. I will also show you how to quickly check your work. Okay, so the way I like to just quickly check my work is I kind of just do like a let statement on the side. So for example, if let's say x is just going to be equal to 1, right? So I kind of solve for this as x is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3, which is 5. And then that's going to be multiplied with 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4. And I'm just following BEDMAS here. So that's going to be equal to 20. And because you simplified this whole statement, it's going to have to equal to this, right? And in this case, x can be anything, and x can be the same thing here, and they should give you the same things. All you did was expand it. Okay, so 6, so x squared is just 1, so 1 squared is just 1. So this actually becomes 6 plus 11 plus 3, and 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. So that way you can confirm that that's right. And you don't have to use x is equal to 1. You can use 2, any numbers, and you can actually just plug it into your computer to check, or not your computer, sorry, calculator to check if they're equal. But yeah, okay. Here is another example, and actually this should be squared. Okay. So there's the full solution. Big takeaway here is going to be this. So basically this is a binomial and it's being squared. Do not mistake this as this. 5 squared plus x squared, because that's wrong. Completely wrong. If this was multiplication, then you could actually put it in. But since it's addition, you cannot. That's actually wrong. And basically how you would do this is you have to write it out twice and then do foiling. So 5 plus x, 5 plus x. Okay, and then you do your whole inner outer thing. So first 25, outer, so 5x, inner, again 5x, and then last, so x squared. Now we're going to collect our like terms. So 25 plus 10x plus x squared. Okay. Also, quick note, when you simplify polynomials, you have to write them in a specific order. So you write your number with the variable with the highest exponent first, then your variable numbers, then your constant. So I'm going to actually fix this. So it will be x squared plus 10x plus 25. Yeah. And this would actually be your final answer. And I don't know if you notice, but if you were to distribute these exponents and like that, that would give you 5x. 5 squared plus x squared, which is going to be equal to 25 plus x squared, which is wrong, but if you compare it to this, you see how much more different it is? You literally missed this whole middle term. So that's why it's really important to FOIL. And even if you just if you did this accidentally and you checked your work with the way I showed you, you would get a wrong answer if you did it this way. But yeah, big takeaway, do not distribute the exponents if it's a binomial, and also make sure about the signs. But yeah, that is how you FOIL. And there's also actually like shortcuts to this, and factoring of trinomials and shortcuts to like binomials and stuff, and maybe in the future I'll like make more videos on that. But yes, thank you for watching.